faggot. Oh shit.
Oh god, the lag. Oh, the lag. The lag is so bad. Oh, the lag. What was that, Ben? Jesus. What a weird sound you made
Making
there,
sure
Ben.
that they didn't score. What the flippity doodah?
Ah, he bit me.
No! No!
No, I almost had that. I almost hit that back out. Dang it. If I had turned around like half a second earlier, I could have gotten that. Ah. Why is my ping so high? What the crap?
Oh, you.
Ah, I hit him away from it. Ah!
Oh, sorry.
Ah! Dang guy. Oh god, lag, the lag, the lag, oh my god. Oh. Why internet? Why?
Did you both just miss? Oh shit.
No, I am having lag, I don't know what's happening.
Well, stop having lag. Ooh. Ooh. God.
Oh,
No, that's not going in.
boo. I saw that. I thought that was going in too.
No, controller!
No lag, why? Why you do this to— oh, I died.
And there it is.
So,
And boom goes
this
the
game's
dynamite.
not going up. That's for sure.
Oh,
If I can even
going it
manage
up with
to-
the ones that we win.
Yeah, probably. Or just the good ones.
Or it's comeback time!
Oh, yeah, bro. Definitely. I mean, first
No! Controller! You need to stop.
lag, why?
Oh my god.
Maybe I'll upload this anyway because it's so funny.
You Japanese American.
What? Ah.
Ah!
No!
No! No!
Oh!
No! Stand here.
Oops.
God damn it.
I didn't mean I didn't mean to do that. Oops. Maybe now the objective is don't get shut out. If I can manage to
Alright, I
not
just-
have lag.
I just fixed it. Oh no!
Oh
Come on! That was going in. Why'd you have to save it?
no, it wasn't. I was about to hit it in.
I said other team. Why'd you have
Oh,
to save
they
it?
saved it? Oh, I hit it.
Yeah.
It didn't kind of. It didn't go in.
Okay, yeah.
Nope, I missed. Ben.
Oh, that's
Ben.
okay. What was that? Bad, 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 bad,
I
bad.
knew it was in perfect position for you to hit it in. I was hoping you went on the other side. Fake out.
Boom. Fake out.
Ah,
Yeah, you
nailed it.
You get that.
The dang guy Colin whipped me with his neck strap during band today.
What?
So you know the saxophones have a neck strap that like you put it around your neck and then you attach the other end to the saxophone so you don't really have to hold it up the whole time. And he whipped me with the end of it that has a buckle. And
Okay.
it hit my elbow.
That was just random. I don't. Okay, thanks.
And
Thanks.
now my elbow
Very good.
hurts.
Thanks for the story. Thanks for telling me how you got whipped. How you got fucking
Like,
whipped.
but
Thanks.
he hit me with the elbow, bro. Oh god, lag.
I'm like, ah! Oh, thanks for the boost. You dummy! Oh, no.
He a dummy? Oh, nope. Yeah, he is the dummy then. Right.
Yeah, he is! Oh, no!
What? I got a ton of lag. I could have gotten that. But I got a ton of lag and couldn't hit it. Oh god, go, you stupid thing. Did you just miss? Man?
I don't know, I jumped out of the way because that's how you come by.
Ah!
Oh, shit. Yeah, smack it. No! Land it! Smack it! Smack it my way! E!
I did smack it your way and you didn't hit it.
Dude, I was expecting you to
Oh,
get
thanks. He said nice shot. Thanks, bro. I know, that was a great shot. Ah, lag. Oh my god.
Oh, shit, no!
That sound. Man, I'll just upload the audio. I'll upload the audio from this. You
No
don't need
video,
the
just audio, just...
Oh, what? That didn't hit the ground on my screen.
Well, too bad.
Why are they getting a ton of lag? That makes no sense.
Maybe it's because you're white.
No, you.
The game doesn't like white people.
No, you.
Ah! Oh, no, it's Andrew.
Oh, I didn't know you were about to hit that. See, if you hadn't hit that, I would have gotten that in. And if I hadn't hit that, you would have gotten that in. Thus, we have a paradox now. And I'm getting lag again. What the heck, game? I don't like you. I don't have any boost. Yoink.
Oh, shit.
Ah, you hit it the wrong way. You dang guy.
No, I'm switching teams.
Oh. 3v1.
Yeah. You're on your own again.
I was always on my own.
Whoa.
Bennett Center, get it! Ah.
Oh, no! Oh, God, what was that?
You didn't get it in, Ben.
Is that like a grandma who's been smoking crack all life?
How do you know what that sounds like?
My grandma hangs around.
Okay, okay, Ben.
Yeah.
That didn't go so well. Oop, didn't go well either. Yeah. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Sports, it's in the game.
What?
EA Sports, it's in the game.
Oh, I just centered it for them.
You just hit it to me.
Did I?
Hey.
Oh, I hit that even with all my lag?
No!
Ah, lag.
Oh, shoot. No! Come on!
Oh, I almost saved that. Ah, I almost saved that.
Xander.
On my
You
screen,
did.
I did. On my screen, I almost saved that.
Everybody missed it.
See, look, I almost saved it.
God damn it.
If I had gotten sooner.
Hold on, let me get it.
You get it? Alright, alright.
Ooh! Hey! Nice shot. Nice shot, man.
Thanks, bro. I have my moments of greatness, and then I begin to suck again. You know how it is. It be like that sometimes. What was that? Oh, I'm sorry. What are you eating? Or, oh my. Sick. What were you eating, bro?
Pringles.
Oh, okay. What flavor?
Whatever.
Regular? What's wrong with you?
That's all they had.
Oh, wait, from SA?
Yeah.
You guys only carry regular? What's wrong with you?
I mean, we used to have more, but
Bro, we got 8 different flavors at Ace Hardware.
oh, you blue, green.
You got like barbecue, ranch, jalapeno, original, what else? Did I say barbecue already?
Yep. Yeah, pizza, actually. We have
Sour
pizza.
cream and onion, pizza, and one more flavor. I don't remember what it is.
Oh, come on.
Oh, I missed. Fake out, bro. Pulling my attention. You stole my boost. Oop.
No. Big fat beluga whale.
No, you. Oh. See, I saw you. I saw you going for it right. It's like I was about to go for.
No.
Oh, sick. Nope, I missed.
There, what are you doing?
I hit that guy out of the way. It's fine. I make up for my suckiness in great plays. Ben, get it, Ben, get it. What was that sound?
Just watch the stream.
What?
That's what that scream was.
So I think I had it. Oh, I died. If you had hit me out of the way and both of us had missed that. No.
God damn it.
I didn't know you were going for that. This is definitely going to be uploaded to YouTube. After I learn how to edit, it's fun.
No.
No! Oh,
No.
I got there too late.
Yes. No. Yes. Yes.
Boop. Yo, Ben. On Wednesday, you and James should come to the hockey game because I'm doing prep on. You totally come.
Okay.
Definitely. Do it. Just come. Oh, why'd he hit that dang guy?
Meow.
Oh, I missed. Fake out, Ben. Hit it. Hit it, Ben. Oh.
I don't think he was right there.
No! Oh, you got it. Good.
Oh. Oh, you wanted to miss it.
Yeah, bro. Well, let me check how long that is. 16 minutes. Do you think that's long enough?
Yeah, one more game.
Alright, Ben.
Scoregasm.
And wait, what do you use Sony Vegas to edit, right?
Yep.
You gotta buy that?
Yep.
Dang. How much is
I got
it?
it for free.
Wait, how do you get it for free?
I can get it too.
I'll fucking make it big, then I'll suck it.
Yo, what up, Wyatt?
Asshole. Dick me down, booty hole. That's the way you already know. Booty eater.
You know I'll do my
homie
dogs
make my
really
booty
good.
melt.
Oh,
What?
shit. Damn, homie, I see you.
My homie make my booty melt. Fuck! Where's my sister?
Oh, but I'm getting lag again. That's nice. Ah, he missed, the loser. No!
Oh, that was so
It's
perfect.
like-
I almost
it's
got
like-
that.
He goes like, asshole. Dick me down, booty hole. That's the way you already know. I'm
Oh, I
a
was about to hit
quitter.
that. I love that guy who's screaming in the background.
Oh, oh damn. Yeah. You hit it right into him. He wasn't even moving. Xander, come on, hit it in.
Get it, man! Get
Come on.
it! Get it, man! Why didn't you hit it in?
God damn it, Xander. I wanted you to do it. I wanted you
Why
to do it.
me?
Because you need it. You don't
No,
got
you.
much else going for you in life right now.
Oh, what? Yeah, I gotta hit that, bro. I hit it every night, bro.
Oh yeah. Except you didn't because you missed. Xander.
I don't have any boost, Ben.
Well, get some.
Oh, Ben, get it, get it, get it, get it. So anticlimactic.
Come on, hit it. Hit that. Hit that. Hey, hit that.
No, I thought he was about to hit it over here. Dang, that was stupid.
Hey, look at that goal. That's, oh, no.
Nope. And I missed, it's fine. Like it was just one guy and we can't even score. Oop. There we go. That's how you do it.
Get his ass with the-
Oh, well dang.
Alright.
Should I stop the recording?
If you want to, sure.
Should I do an outro?
So guys, thank you for watching my YouTube video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, what
I'm
he
gay.
said.
Goodbye.
Yeah, that too.